In this video I'm going to tell you how to create a Google form in your PC. So let's start. First of all, go to your Chrome browser or any browser and type Google form and just enter it. So just go to the one link, or you can go to the second link. So to create a new Google form, just click on this blank add button, and now let's start making Google form. So first of all, on the top you have to write your form title, like my customer. So I'm gonna make customer information form. Customer information. So now you can add description also here. So this form is all about customer detail. Fine. And now you can add your first question here, like customer name. So you can choose the type of answer you want, like there are many options, like you can add short answer. So in short answer there will be like one line answer. In a paragraph, you can, this kind of a paragraph you can add in a address, because address has a multiple lines, so you can add in that. And if you want to add a multiple choice, you can add that also. There are multiple options, so you can add it. So let's create a second option which we want to add, like what can we add? Contact number. Fine. So when you type your option, or when you type your question, it automatically select the answer type. So it automatically select the short answer text. Now we are going to add a third option, which is, we are going to add third question, which is address. So it automatically select the paragraph answer type. So because the address has multiple lines, so you can add here, or you can split the address into 4 or 3 parts, like street, and like house number, city, state, and landmark also. And let's add a question of a multiple answer, like I'm gonna add size. So you can see that it is suggesting me all the sizes of any cloth, like extra small, medium, large, extra large, double extra large. So let's add these options. So I just clicked on add all options, so it added all the options in the answers. So you can, so let's, if you want to discard any of these options, just click on these cross buttons. And if you want to conclude your, let's see the preview of this form. So to see the preview of this form, just click on this eye icon. So let's see. So our form will look like this. So this is our customer names, your name, customer number, address, size, etc, etc. You can add more questions in your question. So you can add you can create a question paper your student, and you can add multiple things. You can create a Google form for a multiple purpose, and so this is how you can create, and you can do multiple things with it, like you can add a you can customize your theme, like it is now a blue theme, so we can do, like we can create a red theme, or we can also add the background. Fine. And we can also change the font of it. like we can change like this, or you can choose any of them, and these are the options. Or if you want to send this form to anyone, so there is an option called send button. So just go to it and you can send to anyone via email. So just you have to type the email address of anyone to whom you want to send this Google form. So let's do that. So I'm gonna type my email address. Fine, and just you can send it, or you can share this Google form over Facebook. So just click on this Facebook icon, or you can share this Google form via Twitter. So there are multiple options, so you can do that. Just to do that, just go to the Twitter and you have to log in. So my ID has been logged in already. So this is the form I am gonna share on Twitter. So this is just the demo. If you want to do that in the same way, you can do that. So let me think if it is posted or not. Yeah, so that's how it works, and I hope you like the tutorial how to create a Google form on PC. You can create a Google form on your mobile itself. So this is how you can make a Google form. So you can make a Google form like for a question paper for students. You can add a multiple choice answers to any question. So many things you can do. Like today the education is completely converted into the digital education, so you can use this Google form in that purpose. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.